Hi everybody, Steven here with eTrailer.com. Today we're looking at the Dometic RV Water Heater. It's a gas and electric combo with an autopilot, 120 volts, 10,000 BTUs, and it's a 6-gallon tank. Now this is a black conversion kit we're looking at today. So that's the front trim and the side expansion packs if you need them to fill up any gap. We also offer this in a white option that is sold separately. You can look that up here on eTrailer.com, that part number on the screen if you want the white conversion. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove that cover. Now that being said, folks, this will come with, again, those two side pieces I was just showing you. It's going to come with all the metal angles, all the corner pieces here that you would twist off, snap off, and then use for backing. You got the hinges, and of course you got the screws for mounting all of that in place as far as the door. Mounting everything to your wall, you may have to get some hardware separately. Check the instructions for that. Now this is a quick recovery water heater. It's going to provide a long-lasting supply of hot water with a small lightweight tank. As you can see, you got your hot and cold hookups on the back. You got your 110 outlet plug here, along with your wires here, 4 wires here, sorry. 4 wires here for wiring up the rest of that for the gas pilot light. Now, this again uses both power and gas, so it's going to heat quicker than most other ones on the market. It uses a U-shaped flue tube to distribute more heat from the burner out to the water. Has an 80% heating efficiency rating, and that electric heating element inside will assist that flue tube to heat water faster. It's got an automatic DSI gas pilot that's going to heat water once your destination is reached, and it's going to continually relight automatically until you switch off the heater, basically when you're not using it. Now this can produce up to 12 gallons of hot water per hour. And as far as hooking up, you've got a little grommet right here in the back. That's where your gas comes through, and it comes through that grommet right to this red cap here that's just on there for shipping purposes. That's where your gas hookup is. It's a 3/8 inch outer diameter gas line. As far as the cutout, 19 and 7/8 inches deep, counting the pipes all the way over to the cutout. The cutout here is 12 3/4 tall by 12 3/4 wide. And again, you got that expansion side pieces that come with it in case you need to fill up a bigger gap if you're replacing something that was an older one, maybe a legacy water heater that had like a 16.5 inch cutout. This is CSA certified, lightweight, compact. It does not use any anode rods because it doesn't need them. It's an aluminum clad tank, reduces calcium buildup and limits corrosion. You've got a nylon drain plug down here on the bottom. That's gonna be easy to get open if you need to. It's not gonna be rusting in place. And I like the fact that it's at the bottom. A lot of other models and brands keep it up higher, and you risk water getting on everything if you have to drain it. So that's just a better design in my opinion. You've also got your automatic pressure relief valve there. That's going to prevent excessive water expansion. There's actually an air pocket built inside the tank that keeps that valve from dripping into your cabinet. It also uses what's called a combustion shutter, and it's going to adjust the oxygen level in the pilot light area whenever you're at higher altitude. So if you're in the mountains, let's say, higher altitudes like that, it's going to still light and do its thing. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Now, folks, this does also have a thermostatically controlled option, or it is thermostatically controlled rather. That way it's going to prevent overheating. You would need a double panel switch sold separately, and that just allows you to power the electric and gas components on and off individually whenever you're using it. It's an open design, meaning you can take this out and test it before you hook it up officially and permanently, because of course you're gonna have blocking in here. You're gonna have to have some sealants of some sort, most likely to seal up anything to keep weather out and whatnot whenever you're installing this, and making sure everything's wrapped up on your water connections, insulated, that kind of stuff. So again, follow the instructions, you should be good. Well, folks, that's going to wrap it up for our quick look together. I'm Steven. Thanks so much for your time. Have a good one.